Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a text stickers for journals. So before that, the materials which we require is first of all a book. So in this book you'll get somewhat poems, and also here there's a black poem, and you'll get some other poems such as this types. So you can just cut it. So first of all, let me cut this and show you. So after cutting in this way, you have to cut it properly in a nice way such that it looks like somewhat same like sticker, that is text stickers. So yeah, now I'm cutting it in this way. So you can see it's like this. So cut all the steps in this way. So these are some of the stickers. If I'll show you some more stickers. So here are some of the other text stickers which are in different colors. So here in blue color and black color and a type of yellow golden color. So in this way you can make. So this is the tip number 1. So tip number 2, how to make is, tip number 2 is you need a black paper and a pen. So you have to write any nice chords in this way. So after writing this, you have to cut it off using a scissor. And this is the tip number 2, how you can make. So we have 2 tips to make text stickers. One is you can take from the poem, and one more is you can do it using black paper and any white color marker, a pen or marker. So thanks for watching. This is my second journal which we have made. So later journals will get on next upcoming videos. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share, and even don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can get my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.